Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username and display name. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your TikTok profile, then click on edit profile. And here we can see the option name. So if you want to change your display name, click on name. And now you will be able to change your display name. Change your name, then click on save. And here you can see display name has been changed. Now let's change the username. So click above username. And then here you have to put your new username. And if your name is available, then you will be able to change your name. And your username can be changed once every 30 days. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.